Secure boot shows off or unavailable on your ASUS motherboard. In this video, I'll show you how to enable secure boot in the ASUS BIOS for Windows 11 and verify the result inside Windows. Before changing BIOS settings, make sure you have your BitLocker recovery key if BitLocker or device encryption is enabled. Secure boot requires UEFI mode. If Windows is installed in legacy mode, disabling CSM may prevent it from booting. Now restart or power on your PC. When the motherboard logo appears, repeatedly press the delete key on your keyboard. On some systems, F2 may also work, but delete is the most common key for ASUS motherboards. Once you enter the BIOS, press F7 or click Advanced Mode to switch from Easy Mode to Advanced Mode. Go to the Boot tab. Open Secure Boot. Look for OS type. If it is set to other OS, change it to Windows UEFI mode. Now check Secure Boot mode. Set it to Standard. If Secure Boot remains disabled, go back to the Boot tab and check CSM. For a Windows 11 UEFI installation, launch CSM should normally be disabled. However, if Windows is already installed, do not disable CSM unless BIOS mode shows UEFI in system information. I'll link my quick TPM and Secure Boot check guide in the description. If Secure Boot still does not activate, the default Secure Boot keys may be missing. The recovery steps vary by ASUS model and BIOS version. If you cannot find one of these settings, use the BIOS search option and search for Secure Boot or CSM. When you are done, press F10 to save the changes. You can also go to the Exit tab and select Save Changes and Reset. Review the changes carefully, then select OK to save and restart. To verify the result inside Windows, open the Start menu, search for System Information, and open it. In System Information, BIOS mode should show UEFI. Secure Boot state should show on. That's it. You now know how to enable Secure Boot in the ASUS BIOS for Windows 11. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple Windows and BIOS tutorials.